Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate employee leave request and approvals via WhatsApp for HR. For example, you are the HR of any company and you got many leave requests from your employees at once. Responding them manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. In this video, I'll also explain you how you can store your employees' data. That means their leave start date, end date, reason behind the leave and their information into your Google Sheet without you doing any manual efforts. Yes, it is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect, where I take my trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow and action application as Google Sheet. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate employee leave requests and approvals via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your employees instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of HR department. Here I am sending a message as leave request. Immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that what type of leave are you requesting, while providing me three options, that is sick leave, vacation leave or the personal leave. Here I am selecting this personal leave. Then it will ask me to share my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as a test user. Next it will ask me to provide my email address. So here I am sharing one test email address as testuser@pabblytunes.com. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that please enter the start date for your leave. So here I am entering the start date. Here I sent. Then it will ask me for the end date. For example, here I am taking the leave for 2 days. Then you can see the bot will ask me to share a brief reason for my leave. So here I am sharing the reason behind taking the leave. Here I send the reason. Then at last my bot will respond to me like this, that thank you test user for submitting your leave request. You can see the bot will respond to me by my name that I have given as test user, also giving me one message that our team will review your request and notify you shortly whether your leave has been approved or rejected. In this video, I'll also explain you how you can store your employees' data, that is their name, email address, start date for leave, end date and the reason into your Google Sheet like this. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will reply to your employees instantly, also store their information into your Google Sheet without you doing any manual effort, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of users. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box, you can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flow option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate employee leave request and approvals via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button, and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. That is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birth date is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I write as leave request. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding two more keywords. Here I added, that is vacation request and request leave. I added only 3 keywords here. You can add multiple. Now, whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bots gets triggered and respond to them. For that, I am taking one text button, drag this box here, where I am going to write my respond message as what type of leave are you requesting? Now I am going to provide some types of leaves. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first leave request type as sick leave. Now I am adding 2 more types, vacation leave and the personal leave. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this message. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my employee will send the message to my WhatsApp business account of HR management that they want to apply for a leave request, then at first my bot will ask them about the type of leave they are requesting. Then whenever my user will select the leave type, then my bot will ask them to provide their full name. For that, I am clicking on this action option and take button as ask question, drag this question box here and writing a question as may we have your full name please. You can see I write this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to my user in the bold format. After that, now I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. Now I am going to explain you where you can create this contact custom field and why we use the contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow, because if you won't save your flow and move into another tab, then all the progress of the creation of your flow flow will be lost. So always make sure that when you are moving anywhere, save your flow at first. Now I'll show you where you can create this contact custom field. For that you have to go in the setting option and go in this contact custom fields option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of your fields. Also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of full name, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I selected the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can also increase this if you want to. And if you want to write any validation message for your user, then you can write in this box. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message, because as soon as my user will select the leave request type, then my bot will ask them to provide their full name. After that their email address. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as share your email address. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as email. After that the format I'll select as email. The number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any validation message. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name as well as their email address, then my bot will ask them to provide me the leave start date. For that I am again taking one ask question button. The process of adding questions would be the same. You can also modify this bot based on your preferences. Here I am asking the question as please enter the start date for your leave. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as leave start date and the format I'll select as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any message. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now after that when they provide me the leave start date, then I want to know the leave end date also. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here, writing a message as please enter the end date for your leave. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as leave end date. After that the format I'll select as date. Then I am connecting this circle to this message. Now whenever my employee will provide me their full name, their email address, leave start date and the leave end date, then my bot will ask them to give me a brief reason behind taking the leave. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as kindly share a brief reason for your leave. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as leave reason. After that the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any validation message. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me all their details, then I want to store their details, that is their name, email address, leave start date, leave end date and the reason behind the leave to my Google Sheet. For that I am taking one API request button, drag this box here. With the help of this API request node, I am going to connect my Pabbly Chatflow account to my Pabbly Connect account. When you click on it, here you have to select the request that I select as post. After that you can see it will ask you to paste the URL. So for getting this URL, you have to go towards the Pabbly Connect account. For that you have to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is right over here is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an online automation tool that's help you to integrate and connect multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I am going to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here I already created one workflow by the name of automate employee request and approvals via WhatsApp, in where I take the trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow and action application as Google Sheet. Here I am clicking on it. You can see I select the app event as new message message received. After that, it will provide you one webhook URL that you have to copy from here and paste this URL here. Here I paste it. After that, you can see it is divided in 3 parts, that is parameters, headers and body. Here I am going with parameters. Now here I am selecting the contact custom field as full name because at first I ask my employee to share their full name. After that, I want to add some more fields. For that, I am clicking on this plus add more fields. In the next, I ask my employee to share their email address. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as email. Then the leave start date, also leave end date. And at last, I ask my employee to share their leave reason. Here I selected. Now in this key boxes, I am going to write the same but without the dollar symbol. Here I added. After that, now I am going to click on this test button. Here my API request is successfully sent. Now we will check our workflow. Here I am refreshing this. See, I have received the response just 6 seconds ago. That includes all the details, that is leave start date, reason, leave end date, full name and the email that we have selected here. We got the positive response. That means our Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to our Pabbly Chatflow. Now in the next, I take the action application as Google Sheet. When I click on it, here I use the app event as add new row. After that, I select the spreadsheet that I already created before by the name of employee leave request. I'll show you how it will look like. So this is the sheet that I have already created before by the name of employee leave request, in where I also make the columns such as employee name, email, leave start date, leave end date and the leave reason. It will automatically provide the fields here that I have created in the sheet. Here I have done the mapping of the response that I received in the Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this and selecting the responses from here. Mapping is the most important step while doing the automation because it makes data dynamic, as different users have different name, different email address, leave start date, end date, all the different leave reasons. So for storing their data dynamically, we do mapping. After that, you have to click on the save and send test request button. Here we have got the positive response. Now we will check our sheet. See, we have received the test data. That means our automation is working perfectly. So if you want to learn more details about how you can create a workflow into your Pabbly Connect account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I'm going to click on the save button. And now after that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here with the help of this API request node, all the details of my employee will be added into my Google Sheet. Now after all these process, at last my bot will give them one thank you message. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I'm going to write my respond message. Here I write it, that is thank you with dollar symbol, full name. You can see I use this dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my user by their name. In simple words, this symbol make data dynamic. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate employee leave request and approvals via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing the flow, you have to go in this flow option and click on this 3 dots. Then click on this share flow option. Here it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share the link of the flow with any of your friends. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalog and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. This bot will reply to your employee's request like this. Ask them about their name, email address, leave start date, end date, and the reason behind the leave. Also store their data into your Google Sheet without you doing any manual effort. And the best part is this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.